There's Bert right there. All the other ones. We got to pressure wash the door. We had it up for a while and they all thought it was home. He's gonna attack them soon. That's the style. He attacks and mates, I guess. There's Raven, the black one. There's Granny. There's three of the ones that look like grannies. There's one black one. Oh, she feels segregated. No, nothing meant by that, but yeah, one black one out of 17. She's a good girl though. What's that? Hey, what's that? It's a little dark in there. You can't see them. They're in there. What's up, Bert? He'll attack me if I get any close. He'll probably attack me now. Yeah. Oh, damn it. Bert the attacker. Hashtag Bert the attacking rooster. He was. Son of a bitch. Gungar. Ow, damn it. Y'all don't understand. This hurts. You hit the other leg or something. I actually got to try to make it past him. Bastard. I'm not hurting him. He's hurting me, believe it or not. Yeah, Ungar. Yeah, got close to the flock. Son of a bitch. Hey, no, he got me, man. Look at my legs. That's from him. Every time I go past that son of a bitch, he attacks me. Son of a bitch.